5th of April 2023. We had thunder and lightning earlier about between 11 and 11:30. Probably see the ice in the trees. Luckily it's not real bad. Tree branch up here broke. I don't know if any more are breaking. Must have been the weight of the ice, but it must have been an old dead tree breaking off. You can see it on the ground. That's ice right there. It says at 32 degrees. I don't know how accurate that is. I had to put that down in fucking caps. I know lightning hit a telephone pole, my boss said. I can't remember where she said. It's on the street somewhere. Yeah, a tree branch broke over there. I had to go speed up because I don't want to slow the cars down behind me. These local Stewarts, $3.57 a gallon for gas. I'm hoping this don't get any worse because tonight's the last night of bowling. I'm hoping it clears up and we can get it done with, but who knows? You know, whatever. We got a little peace sign that's all frozen. Church. Roads are not slippery, but I have no idea if they're going to be out of town. Fire trucks there down there, Heparin Hospital. That's Frederick Remington Art Museum right there on Washington Street here in Ogdensburg, New York. Well, at least everything's starting to melt on my truck. See, you can see all the ice on my things. Here's that. Guess I did bring it, but just wanted to show you a little mini ice storm. If it gets any worse, I'll make another video, but over and out until the next one.